Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reseal a Bosch fuel injector. This one came out of a 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan with a 2-liter. And I'm going to show you how to do this without any special tools. There is a kit that they sell. You can purchase it as an arbor to slide over the compression seal ring. And there's another tool to help reshape the compression ring as it goes over. It gets kind of deformed on the way up. But we can do this without anything special. We're going to use a pair of needle nose pliers, a stainless steel brush and a brass brush, a pocket screwdriver, or you could use a pick, a razor blade, a flex grip pen like this, and the cap of a big round stick pen. Oh, and a zip tie that I cut the lock out of. First thing we're going to do is get the injector cleaned up. So we need to take off the old compression seal ring. We can use a razor blade. Be careful not to damage the injector. You just give it a slice on the ring, take your needle nose pliers, and just squeeze the ring and take it off, throw it away. You pop this guy off, you get a new one in the kit. I got mine from Deutsche Auto Parts. Throw it away. On the top, you pop off the seal ring on the top. A pick works easier. I don't have one with me, so I'm using a pocket screwdriver. I suppose I could use a razor blade too, right? Or the needles even. There we go. And then we have the support disc right here. We can get that off pretty easily as well. There is a cut in the support disc where it's easy to grab a hold of and just snap it right off. Discard all the old parts. Next, we got to clean. We use a stainless steel brush on the body of the injector. And I'll use a brass brush to clean the tip. Okay, looks good. Lint-free cloth. Wipe the injector down. Wipe off the bench. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to take this pen, dip it in water, get a little bit of water on the end of it. I'm going to take the compression seal ring and I'm going to slide it over the tip of the pen, and I'm going to use my thumbs and sort of pull the O-ring down onto the body of the pen, just till it gets onto the body of the pen. And I'm going to unscrew this cap of the pen. Now I just have this. I'm going to use this tool as like an arbor to help slide the compression seal ring over the injector. Just a tiny bit of water on the tip of the injector. Place the body of the pen over the over the injector tip, and just use my thumbs to pull the seal over the injector, just like that. Now I'm going to take that zip tie that I cut the lock out of. I'm going to place the zip tie over the compression seal ring and tighten it up to help. We're going to shrink that compression seal ring back down to fit into the groove properly, as it gets expanded when you push it over the injector. So you just squeeze it, then rotate it, put it back on, squeeze it again, loosen it, rotate it. Do this a couple times until you feel that the seal ring has regained its original shape. Takes maybe a minute or so to get it closed back up. Once it's closed back up enough, you're going to take this big pen cap here. I cut the clip off so it fits over better. You're going to slide it over the body of the injector, the tip of the injector. Get that seal ring inside the pen cap. Use a fingernail if you have to help slide it in. The pen cap is tapered. You're going to push the pen cap down, and that taper is going to squeeze and shrink that compression seal ring back up to its original shape. Once you've done that, leave it on there for a few seconds, pull the pen cap back off, and you're ready to put this guy back on. It slides right over, clips back on. Your support disc, you don't have to change this. It says only change it if it's broken, but I'm going to show you anyway. It's got two sides. It's got a flat side and a beveled side. The beveled side goes down, the flat side goes up toward the injector O-ring. And you're going to put this on here at kind of an angle like that, and just twist it on counterclockwise. It goes on pretty easy. You just have to be careful you don't expand it too much. Okay, it slips right on. Flat side up. Then take the injector O-ring, push it on at an angle, work it around, give it a twist, put this guy back on top. Oops, that goes this way. And there you have it. No special tools needed. Thanks for watching.